Okay, we've let our head set up overnight and dry. So we're ready to, we want to round this all down now. But we have to find our center so we don't lose our center. So we need to mark our center where that's going to go so we don't lose our position and where we want to put our stick. So we're going to round this all off down to this circle. And then we're going to mark the center so we don't lose our center. Because once we start sanding it down, this will end up disappearing on me. But we need the center for when we put our stick in. So we're going to use our 4-inch belt sander to round this all down, and then we'll come back with the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate that. Thanks for watching.